This is why you need to act fast if you've been scammed through someone you met on social media, by introducing you a fake investment platforms and a big lie about how they made huge profit. Here's how to fight back. First, gather every detail: screenshots, chat logs, wallet addresses, anything you have about the scam. Next, report it. File a complaint with your local authorities. Submit a report to your Internet Crime Complaint Center. No quick solution yet? Report to us on sociutech.com for swift recovery solution. Then notify us through our customer support. We can freeze suspicious wallets and recover your stolen crypto funds lost through PigButchering. Fight against crypto scams. Use our certified crypto investigation team. They use professional certified agencies to make proactive decision in any crypto pig butchering scams, and specializes in crypto fraud with the help of a dedicated legal team. And finally, spread the word, warn others so they don't fall victim too. Remember, recovery is tough. Acting quickly and smartly gives you the best shot at justice. Stay safe out there. Like and share for more crypto recovery tips.